Hi guys, it's your boy Blue Bar FX. I'm already on this trade, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bells as well, so that whenever I drop a video, you will get notified. And for those of you that want to join our free Telegram channel, the link to our free Telegram channel is on the description of this video. Also, the details in case you want to reach me, my details, my WhatsApp number is also there, so you can also hit me up. Okay, so this is a trade I've already given to my VIP. Of course, I gave them this trade. I told them to get on the C300 for a sell. And this is actually not going to be indicator settings kind of video. I'm going to show you how I use price action, like the things I did, okay, the things I did so that I could actually get into this trade and catch these spikes. Of course, you've seen I've caught multiple spikes and we are in massive profit. And my VIPs, oh wow, guys, you saw that was another spike. So we are expecting more spikes. Of course, we are expecting more and more and more. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because this video is going to be mind-blowing. It's going to be a short video, but very informative and educative. Of course, this is what you get when you are balling with the Blue Boy FX. Okay, when you are balling with me, you are sure of getting blue trades, and that's all we are all about. We don't need any red trades in our setup. So guys, shut up. I'm going to be talking about a little bit of price action, how I use it, the things I do that give me the confirmation to get into this trade, and to give it out to my VIPs. Okay, this is my VIP room. As you can see, okay, this was from yesterday. All our trade hit TP, of course, and we had 3 trades yesterday, and they all went into TP. And this is today, which I gave them the C300. I told them to buy the C300. Sorry, to sell the C300, and we are in massive profit. We are in massive profit. So now, how do I get to enter this trade? I know you'll be asking, how did I do this? How did I actually know how to get into this trade when I'm not using indicators? It's very simple. Okay, now you've seen that if I go to the higher time frame, let's start from the daily time frame. Had it been we're swing traders who start from, maybe let's say, daily to the weekly and all of that, but since we are not swing traders, we just want to get our own fair share of the market and go out of it. You don't want to hold the market for days or so many for a longer period of time. We just go onto the daily time frame. Why do we go to the daily time frame? Because I want to know where the direction of the market is going to. Of course, you've seen there on the daily time frame that this is a very a strong sell, being that is a clear downtrend. Even on the 4 hour, you see here that this trend line I drew here, the trend line I drew here is also showing us, hey, it's a sell. So I think we just got another spike right now, but that's not really what we have seen, that we have been catching spike. But now I want to show you the things I do. Now, first of all, as I said, I have to go to the higher time frame to find the direction of the market, especially when I'm trading the boom and crash. Okay, especially when I'm trading the boom and crash, you have to know if the market is selling or is buying. Okay, you know, it's very dangerous to trade against spikes. Okay, it's very dangerous to trade against spikes, because the spike might not actually, will not even might, it won't respect your stop loss. It won't respect your stop loss. So it's good that you know, okay, this market is actually giving me signs of buying, or it's giving me signs of selling. You can't just jump into the market because, oh, okay, imagine I went in for a buy on the crash 300 because it's showing me maybe in the let's say one of the time frame was just playing with me, showing me some buying candlesticks, and I jump into it because I want to make money from it. No, that's going to be very bad, because you will be in a loss. Your account will be blown, because this is spikes. One spike can take your account from 100 to 0. Okay, you can take your account from 100 to 0, depending on your loss size that you're using, if you have applied the right risk management and all of that. But if you don't, it's going to take you out. So that's why I said go to the higher time frame. You could even start with a 1 hour, 4 hours, okay, to find the trend where the market is going to. Of course, this is what I teach my students. I teach my students also how to find their zones. If you can, on the higher time frame, I do all I can to find my zones. Of course, if you want to learn this thing, if you want to learn this price action that I used to trade, I'm not saying indicators are not good. They are actually good. They're actually okay. But you can't depend fully on indicators. You can't depend fully on indicators. Okay, indicator might show you, okay, when it gets to this level, you're going for a buy, or when it gets to this level, you're going for a sell. But it might get to that level and you won't catch that spike, or the spike will not come and you just keep waiting and waiting. But with price action, at least you are 98% sure. You are 98% sure of where to enter the market from, and where to get out of it, and where to place your SL and TP, of course. So this is a 1 minute time frame. We are not deliberating on the 1 minute. As I said, you go to the daily time frame, you find your zones, you find where the market is going to. Of course, you have to study your chart. The more time you spend on the chart, the better understanding you get about that particular pair. You don't have to be jumping from here to here. That's why some of you want to be getting 15 signals, 20 signals a day. How do you want to do that? How do you want to do that? If you keep coming from here and here, you'll be confused because you can't follow up all the markets at the same time. So you have to be stuck with either 3, 4, whereby you can follow up without stressing yourself. Okay. So once you have found your zones, okay, when you have found your zones, you've been able to get your support and your resistance, and you know the direction of the market. You now go to the lower time frame to find your entry. Of course, I think there's another spike there. That was another spike. Okay, guys, this is multiple spikes coming because it's so clear on the chart. It's so clear thanks to price action for giving us this trade. It's so clear that this trade is what is going to give us so much money now. Of course, oh, we have hit our TP. Our TP has been smashed. I did not even know that we smashed TP, but we have smashed our TP while waiting for the market to sell. I said earlier that I was looking at making at least $70 from each position. $70 from each position, and that's what happened. I'm going to show you that video. I said I was going to make $70 from each position when I started this trade. So guys, this works excellently well. Okay, if you want to learn price action, which I will I'm going to recommend, because that's what I use, that's the strategy I used to trade. If you want to use price action, I am here to teach you how to do it for a couple of months, and if you are very fast enough, you can learn this thing in 1 month. Of course, you can learn it in 1 month, because once you know the fundamentals of price action, you are good to go. So now I said when you finish that, you go to your lower time frame, you look for entries, you look for entry level. Of course, as you can see, I have this my sorry, not that, I have this my horizontal line here. Oh shit. Okay, this line here that I just moved. If you check around that region, you will see that there is a support. It was a support, but being that market has gone below that level, it has now turned into a resistance. So now I am expecting this market, although we have hit our TP, which I put it up here because here is also a zone, and the market could reverse from here. Okay, being that this is a zone, of course that was another spike. I told you guys it's multiple spikes here, so I'm expecting the market, but being just to be safe, I'm expecting the market to get down to this level. But to be safe, I have to put my TP here, so that because this area market can actually reverse. Oh wow, multiple spikes, guys. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you join the Blue Boy team. This is premium signals. We only give high probability trades to our VIPs, and of course you can tell from this video that they are winning. If you check, we've been smashing TPs, and we just smashed another TP today. So with price action, markets get easier to predict. Of course, it gets easier to predict. And let me tell you something. With price action, you can use it to trade stocks, other commodities, whatever instrument, be it currency, synthetic indices, and all of that. Of course. So even if I want to take you to other pairs, let's go to the boom. Now this is the boom, and what you do first is, okay, going to our daily time frame. We have seen that this happened to be a downtrend before. Okay, so we are now going to find we're going to place this. You see that is our support. That's the last place that market got to before it started reversing. Of course, you can decide to start scalping if you want to scalp, but it's not advisable to scalp anymore because market has gone past our entry level from here. So probably might actually decide to go to the lower time frame. You see, on the lower time frame, market has gotten to a minor support, it's minor resistance there. So it's already late to get into this market. So you just have to wait and see what the market has in stock for you. You don't have to rush into it. Okay, to see if it's going to rebound from there. Okay, that was another spike, but you don't know if it's going to rebound from there and start selling. Okay, we don't know if it's going to rebound, so you have to wait for the candlestick to close and give you clear entry. Of course, our price action is always at work, but since I've not really made analysis on this trade, I can't really say anything about it for now. But being that it's been buying, I will go for a buy once the 1 hour candle close. When it's 12 o'clock, I'll actually look into it and know what to do. That's on the B300. So guys, thanks for watching this video with me. I hope you have learned one or two. Of course, if you want clarity on what I've just talked about, make sure you join the Blue Boy team, and I'm always ready to mentor you. I'm always ready to be your humble mentor. Of course, the classes that we're always having is always interesting sometimes. Okay, I host free classes if I'm free to do that. So just to give out one or two tips. Okay, so make sure you join the free channel. The link, as I said earlier, is on the description of this video. If you want to reach out for me for account management from $300 to $1,000, okay, just hit me up. My WhatsApp number is on the description of this video too. So thanks for watching this video. Join the Blue Boy team and let's stay in profit together. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you stay in profit. Bye guys.